Good morning, a very beautiful morning with the wild dogs barking at the lion from the kill. They are running to the northern side. I will try and catch up with them. I will try by all means to catch up with them. They are moving with the lightning speed, running away from the lion. Here are the two there. I don't know where are they from, but it seems as if they are from the south to the north, and then they bump onto this female lion. So they're a little bit stressed now because a lion might attack these cats, but not these cats, these dogs. I mean, sorry about that. These are very, very beautiful dogs. We call them wild dogs or the painted dogs. They are quickly moving, so I'll try by all means to catch up with them and see what are they up to. Yes. Here are these wild dogs. Very good looking, beautiful dogs. Yes. I'm in the Mara Triangle in Kenya, looking at these painted dogs, frustrated, jumping all over because, hello, jumping up and down, and the two up there, they are running. So these other two, they're busy barking, but trying by all means to keep up with the other wild dogs. They are up to something. Oh, look at their ears. Oh, look at that. It's going back, this one. Look at the posture, the body posture. These dogs are frustrated. They are angry. I can hear they are barking from here. Can you hear that? Let's listen to them. My name is Oli Klo. I'm coming to you live in the Mara Triangle in Kenya. This is happening right now, right in Kenya, live. Wonderful. This is wonderful. Can you hear that? They are barking. We've never seen this before in Safari Live in Mara. The wild dogs are very, very, very rare in the Mara. This is awesome. This is wonderful. This is wonderful. This is wonderful. This one wants to go back and attack the lion, but as you can see, the body size is not the same. He's smaller than the lion, so he's going. Oh, he doesn't want to leave actually. I don't know what he's up to, but I'm sure his heart can kill the lion, but the body won't kill the lion. Look at how the ears and the legs and the body structure. We can see this painted dog is so angry. Oh, Mosh, what a nice question. I can only see 4 dogs for now. Hopefully there's more. I think there's more, and I hope I can see more, but they are moving up north. So I will try by all means to catch up with them. As we know, wild dogs, they move fast with the lightning speed. Let's quickly move forward and catch up with them. Hopefully we'll get each and every action. Oh, here they're going. Oh, they're moving fast with the lightning speed. I'm trying my level best to catch up with them. The ground is so bumpy. There's a lot of rocks. And it was raining last night, so the ground is much Wet, so wet. But I'm keeping up with them. I'm trying by all means. I'm chasing them. My camera operator, are you good there? Hold on tight. Hold on tight. We're gonna have an action here. The road is so bumpy. You can see they're all four there. I can't see the rest, but we have 4 running wild dogs. They're up to something. Hopefully we're gonna see them hunting, because they are so in a hunting mode. Oh, they're so fast, they're moving fast. Can you please wait and breathe? Can you please wait and breathe? Wild dogs. Wild dogs. No, man. These guys are in a hunting mode. They are in a hunting mode, but there's nothing far. I can't see anything that they will attempt to hunt, but this behavior shows that they are in a hunting mode. I can see 3 now. The 4th one is on my left. I can see him running on the other side. I'm trying by all means to keep up with them, and I'm still with them live here in the Mara Triangle. This is Safari Live, people, coming to you live, coming to you live. Wild dogs. They've stopped now. Let's see what they're doing. They stopped. They've just took a breath. Let me keep up with them again. They are moving with the lightning speed. I need to see what are they up to. Cameraman, camera operator, hold on tight there. This is wonderful. Bongai, hold on tight there, man. Camera, hold on tight. We are keeping up with them. Let's quickly go to Tristan while I'm trying to catch up with this beautiful painted dogs. Let's go to Tristan with the leopard.